Today, we're creating the flickering text animation, a flashy effect where your text rapidly blinks into view. It's perfect for energetic, glitchy, or dramatic intros. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut. From the bottom toolbar, tap Text, then tap Add Text. Type the text you want to animate. Titles, names, or captions all work great with this effect. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a style that matches your theme. Bold fonts make the flicker more dramatic, while thin fonts give a more subtle flashing effect. Now tap the Animation tab. Inside the In section, scroll until you find Flicker. Tap it, and your text will begin flashing on and off in quick bursts, creating an exciting and eye-catching entry. Below the preview, use the duration slider to adjust the speed of the flicker. Slide right for a slower, softer flicker. Slide left for a fast, intense flashing effect. Set the duration based on the energy and style of your video. And that's it. You've created a smooth flickering text animation in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile editing guides.